video. Today I'm going to show you how to change your wand into a light design. Let's get started. So first things first, make sure you check out our other videos beforehand. That's the unboxing and sanding video. You need to do a little bit of sanding on your wand before you start painting. Once you've done that, you're ready to get started. So we're going to paint a base coat, which is going to be a creamy colour. So I'm going to take the white, yellow and brown and put all the other colours to one side because we won't need those just yet. I've got a pot of water here for washing my brushes. I'm going to be using the larger of the two brushes first, and I'm going to start with some white paint. Make sure you pop the lid back on so they don't dry out. I'm going to add just a teeny tiny bit of yellow to make a creamy colour. So you just need the tiniest bit, and it's best to add that just to the side of your palette so you don't mix too much in. I'm going to clean off my brush again and then take a little bit of brown. So I'm quite happy with that colour, and then we're just going to cover the whole wand with one thin base coat of this. You don't want to apply it too heavy because it won't dry particularly nicely. So now the paint is dry, we've done 2 full coats over the whole wand. So the next step, we're going to add some detail across the whole wand with a light brown shade. What we're looking for is a darker shade than what we've done the base coat, so that it actually shows up. So I'm going to take a clean dry brush, and you want to just dab it in the brownie colour and then take most of the excess off on the paper. So the technique now is called dry brushing. Is because you basically use a nearly dry paintbrush to just pick up the detail on the wand. So for this last step, we're going to take the gold paint and add a little bit of magical sparkle across the whole wand. I'm just going to take a bit of the gold paint onto the palette, and like we did before, I'm going to brush off most of the gold just onto my work surface because we just want a little bit on the brush to do the dry brushing technique again. I'm going to start from the base, just go all over the whole wand.